Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a power hour. Excuse that, that's my geese making that squawking noise. But today is going to be a power hour and I am going to tackle my laundry. It is looking like an absolute tip and I just need to give it a really good clean and make it all nice and beautiful again. When you see it, you're going to be like, oh my gosh. But I'm going to only spend an hour on this. It's currently 12:15 right now. So I'm going to put an hour timer on and get in and get as much as I can done in the hour. Before I start cleaning, I'm just going to put a little vinegar wash on in the washing machine just to give the drum a good clean out, and I'm not putting it on for a long wash. We are on water restrictions at the moment and I don't want to waste water, but it does really need a good clean in there. And I'm just going to pop everything away first before I start cleaning it. There is so much stuff in this laundry at the moment that doesn't belong, and that car seat is for my nephew when I look after him. So I'm just going to pop that out of the way so I can clean the laundry.
We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along.
My vacuum ran out of charge, so I'm just going to tackle another area of the laundry. Now, I haven't posted a video for 2 weeks because we have been down and out with the vomiting bug. Isabel, my eldest, is the only one that didn't get it. I'm still waiting for her to get it because it's only been 2 days since it has gone through our whole family. But we all had it. It was horrible, and there will be a lot of cleaning and disinfecting of the house. But it was terrible. So that is where I've been, and so I'm sorry I haven't been posting, but that's why. I would love for you guys to come into the comments below and say hello. And it also helps my channel out if you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. I have lots of cleaning motivation here on my channel and organization. And I just want to say thank you to all the people that have already clicked that subscribe button. It means so much to me.
And then maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only
just going to pop a load of Chris's uniforms in the wash so they can be nice and clean for tomorrow, and I'm just going to give the washing machine a good wipe out as well and wipe it all over with some disinfectant, because I did have to wash a couple of sheets sets that when we were sick. And when I was cleaning out the little lip, I found a bobby pin, I found a drill bit, and I found some rocks, obviously from Chris when he's working, and I'm just going to give it all a good clean, and then I am going to pop the load on.
Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily.
So I'm sweeping the floor because when I was moving the charger around on the laundry bench, I forgot to click it on because it's not normally in the laundry, and I asked Isabel to bring it down for me so I could charge, and silly old me forgot to turn it on. So I'm sweeping instead.
Let's say I let you call me, baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand. Let's say I let you stay for coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. Let's say I miss you when.
So here it is, all finished. That is actually our laundry bag for our caravan, so I have to go pop that back in, and these are just the hooks. Chris built all this for me. Eventually soon we will be this will be our mudroom, and it'll be used a lot more because our internal stairs are going in. I hope you can hear me over this washing machine. And then my lawn, what's that called? An ironing board hangs up there. Through that door is Chris's bathroom, and before with him, and we'll be using it. I won't share it yet, but it's got my tiles for my ensuite as well. So this room is nearly finished. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So that's for Chris's work uniforms, towels. Then coming around here, we've got my Farmhouse sink that I got off a Facebook market site. I love this because my grandma had one. Chris just sprayed the pipe black. This window I still have to paint. It's dirty on the outside. I gave it a clean on the inside. But I just have those little buckets, one for the bathroom and one for just normal cleaning cloths. Then coming around here, I should have varnished this timber before we actually sealed it. Because it's got a lot of marks from the laundry liquid. My grocery shop I have to go and pick up soon, so I've got new laundry detergent and stuff. I just have my basket for Chris's uniforms to go out, and it's all the hanging rod for the ironing, my delicates basket, and I need Chris when he gets home to help me move this over a bit because I've got my whites and all of that. And I'm not going to go past there because that is our biggest renovation, and if you want to find out, that just cut me off. If you like renos and DIYs and room tours, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is about to spin out, and that way you will see our major reno. My ensuite is starting, fingers crossed, this weekend. I think I persuaded Chris to start this weekend. We have everything to do it. We need to finish this bathroom off too. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that we jump from renos to renos, but I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation. This went for about an hour and 15 minutes, but I did have to, my vacuum ran out of charge, so just things like that, moving the camera around, so maybe it was just an hour technically, but I hope this has motivated you to get in and clean, and I promise, thanks water, I promise that I am going to keep this nice and tidy, and fingers crossed these battery chargers aren't in my laundry anymore. But anyway guys, I really appreciate you watching, and I really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button. I am nearly at 1,000 followers, and I will enough rambling from me. See you in my next one. Bye guys.